Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to activate Google Gemini Assistant. Here's a step guide to activate Google Gemini Assistant on your mobile phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Google Play Store. Tap the search icon in the search bar. Type Google App. Then tap the Google app from the search results. If an update is available, you can tap Update. Make sure you have the latest version of it. After updating, open the Google app by tapping Open. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. Look for Google Assistant, Gemini. This may appear as Assistant and Gemini in some regions. Tap Activate Gemini or Use Gemini. If there's a prompt, review the introduction screen about Gemini features. Then tap Next. On Gemini settings, go to Digital Assistants from Google and confirm Gemini as your default assistant when prompted. Once it's activated, test it by saying Hey Google or long pressing the home button. Then Gemini will respond. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.